This is the disassembly of a VEX turntable to use for a claw.
It's gonna have to be driven by gear axle, which means
I was using one.
So you want to use so this one depends on like how strong the water. So if you want this one to turn with it for the 18-inch or something, so you can have them both in the.
Just leave it like.
The axle span there, all the way. So this one rotates. If you want more power on this one, then you can attach a smaller right here with the yeah.
Okay. All right, and shoulder piece. Or move it down.
Yeah, you do. You just have to get a large motor screw.
What? Might be able to fit something on here.
So this one is like
Let me see that again. How you?
No, I'm
That's
not sure.
gonna have to go. So make sure this. Let's start with this.
It's not finished.
Actually, you take a picture of what you have here. So this is gonna stay the same, but we need
Find
to
the hole,
because
and the screw will drop down. There you go on something.
But that's not center.
So you
yeah.
gotta keep
So
it in the center.
take a picture of how it is. So you know which parts. Especially you got.
So now you're going to place screws inside the center of the turntable.
leaning, that means this one is start now. It's not necessarily actually fit in the 18, like 18.
Great. So that's how it works. And that's what it looks like. Permanence, turn the shoulder sides and in the middle.
So now since we have a 5-inch metal with 10 dots going in the middle, so now you want to put the screw on the turntable on the 4th one, and you want to put it on the other screw and put it on the 6th one, so it can look like that. The finished product of the turntable. So we have the lock nuts, and then we have a silver screw that's connected to the lock nuts so it can hold a turntable in place. We're going to attach this piece to this piece. So this is the finished product. This is the finished product when you attach the lock nuts into the claw right here on this position.
Charged or the regular?
So first we're going to attach the motor right here. We're going to attach it like this way, like this. And then we're going to put a long axle that will be connected. That will be connected to the motor right here. So it can go like this. So first we will line the motor up to this part of the claw like this. So the axle will be facing right here. And then when you line this up, you will need to use these small screws. These are called motor screws. You will need to use these to connect this to this. How I put in the motor screw is I use mimic pliers to hold down the screw. So when I put it in the position, I use the 5/6/4 to just finish and screw it in, and that's how I got the screws put it in the position it's now. Now, to rotate the claw, we have to have a 12-tooth skinny gear. That will be green. We have six flat silver spacers, and then we have a long axle. So now, this is the finished product. You see the 3 on each side of the silver spacers, and you have the the 12-tooth small gear right in the middle, connecting to the axle, connecting to the motor. And we added lock screws right here so it won't, the shaft, the axle won't slip off. So after we finish the product, see, now you have to get your piece that we started from at the beginning of the video, and then you want to connect it to the turntable. That was connected. You see when we use this? That was connected from right here. That was connected from right here. So you use the piece that we started from the beginning, this part, and then connect it right here. So now it's gonna look like this.